Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketches easily. Begin by observing your subject closely, identifying its basic geometric forms. Lightly sketch these foundational shapes, allowing for fluid adjustments. This initial step is crucial for establishing correct proportions and composition. Don't press too hard. Your first lines should be barely visible, guiding your hand without committing too early. This approach saves time and reduces frustration. Selecting the right tools significantly enhances your sketching experience. A good quality sketch pad and a few pencils, perhaps a 2B and a 4B, are excellent starting points. Experiment with holding your pencil differently. A looser grip often yields more expressive lines. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but rather capturing the essence of your subject with confidence and ease. Embrace the process of discovery. When faced with a complex subject, simplify it. Imagine it as a collection of spheres, cubes, and cylinders. This mental exercise helps you understand its three-dimensional structure. Look at the spaces around your subject, known as negative space, as much as the subject itself. This technique can dramatically improve your accuracy and perception. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes daily to quick gesture sketches. Consistent practice is the single most effective way to improve your sketching skills. Dedicate a small amount of time daily, perhaps 15 minutes, to drawing anything you see. Don't strive for perfection in every sketch. Instead, focus on learning and enjoying the process. Every line you draw, every mistake you make, contributes to your growth as an artist. Keep a small sketchbook with you always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.